Good afternoon on this cold and chilly autumn's afternoon. Today we've got a few messages for the middle school, and we're also going to be giving out some awards, just as a junior school and senior school have. We haven't had an assembly obviously for our Go for Golds or our Shining Stars due to learning online, so that's the plan for today, to recognise all students really, but especially the ones who have gone above and beyond. Congratulations so far to the students for online learning. It's been a challenge. We haven't really seen this before. I guess life's about confronting challenges, accepting the challenge, and then working up some strategies to deal with that challenge. And it's been fantastic to see so many students engaging positively in the online learning, showing resilience, and just getting it done. As well as the students, I'd like to say thank you to all the parents and guardians. Look, there's some real heroes out there. It has not been easy at times, but through working together, we've been able to get the best outcome for our kids. So once again, thank you very much to all the parents and guardians. And it's important to keep communicating. We're all in this together. Some students are back next week, preppies and the grade 1s and 2s and VCE kids. The following week we've got grade 3s and 4s, and the middle school are back in 2 weeks' time on Tuesday, June 9. With that in mind, the light is at the end of the tunnel. It's getting closer. However, we've still got 2 weeks of online work to go in the middle school. Much can be learnt in that time. We've done such a good job so far, and it'd be a little bit disappointing to see us drop off. Okay, guys, so we're nearly there, but I encourage you to keep communicating with your teachers for the next 2 weeks, and make sure we're following our timetable, exactly what we have been doing. And as I said, we'll be back at school before you know it. Please keep the work up for the next couple of weeks. I wish I could give out 100 awards. Everyone needs to be congratulated for how they've tackled this situation. But it's a bit hard to give out 100 Shining Star awards. It takes a lot of laminating. So today we're just going to recognise some students who have gone above and beyond. They might have been communicating fantastically with their teacher. Some pieces of work they've submitted have been of a very high standard. They've done some fantastic things with technology. These students are being recognised for some different areas where they've gone above and beyond. So we'll start with the grade 5/6s. Shiloh Kennedy, Isaiah Benson, Cody Rowe, Jaden White, Shania Trembath, Cedric Penn, Ali Nye, Gus Frostick, Bella Party, Ava Morgan-Treese, Ella Heinsohn, Julian Guthrie, Lisbeth Donald, Angus Donald, and Tom Koenig. Congratulations to those students in grade 5/6. In year 7, we have Lewis Brown, David McGrath, Connor Tarrant, Jessica O'Dwyer, Alina Corso, Abigail Brooker, Ava Carlson, Tyler Cole, Claire Moore, Mia Nye, and Regan Rouse. Well done to those year 7s. And in year 8, we've got Nathan Gossain, Madison McDermott, Manar El Rickaby, Bella Met, Molly Packer, Jet Robbins, Sunny Rowe, Noor Aladali, Thomas Corso, Jordan Sue, and Mickey Verne. Well done to those students, and you guys have all got a Shining Star, which we can pick up when we get back to school. Just in summary, guys, I encourage all students to keep going, keep communicating with your teacher. We've got 2 weeks left of work, and we look forward to seeing you guys on June 9. Have an enjoyable weekend. Thank you.